Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was super excited to do this video. I am on third day hair and I really want to talk about Mistify Restyling Spray. A restyling spray is something that you can use in between shampoos, and it's good to use a blow dry brush, one, to blow dry your hair, or for you to use it, you blow dry it kind of like a quick dry. 3 different ways. I'm gonna actually use a blow dryer brush. I did a video a couple of months back with the Revlon one. It's great for purchase if you're gonna use it once in a while, not a big commitment, but it wasn't something I used it up to 6 times, and then on the 6th time it just broke completely. So I wanted to try something professional. This was a $120 purchase. So if you guys want one, you guys can message me, DM me, and we will get you one sent to your door. So you're gonna see me using that brush. I think it is a great investment to use a professional one. I think that is always key, right? But sometimes if you try something new, maybe you can get away with paying something a little bit less. It was a $30 difference. But the major goal is to show you texturizing spray from Oribe and the restyling Mistify restyling spray, which looks like this. It is from our Gold Lust families. It's very cute, very great. And you're gonna wake up, take a body shower, get ready, and then you're going to spray it all through your hair. And you're gonna just like so. Gonna make your hair a little bit damp, which is important because you're gonna get in there with the blow dryer brush. You just want to put enough so your hair is manageable to style right through it. Perfect, like this. When you get your blow dryer brush, I'm gonna show you some cute things before I do my last video. You're gonna grab it and you're gonna blow dry it down like this. You don't wanna blow dry up. If you wanna do a little bit of a wave, you're gonna blow dry forward, rotate it, grab your hair and bring it down. You're gonna do small sections, and you guys are going to clip your hair up if you want to. I'm not going to. I really want my hair to still be in a loose wave, so I'm not gonna clip it. I'm not gonna create any kind of indentions. So I hope you guys like the video, and let's see the results. Okay, I'm blow drying through each section. I'm taking my nozzle and pushing it forward, and you can see that I'm turning it around like I'm curling it. Okay guys, as you see with the blow dryer, it gives it a lot more volume. Midway through the video, you could see that I used a cool shot. You can definitely go back so you can see a little bit. You're gonna grab it and you're gonna turn it around, and I waved it like this in the front, all throughout the hair. And so now I like volume, I do, but I like my hair to look a little bit more beach waved. So I'm gonna go through it with our curling iron. And I'm gonna make my hair more beachy. And this is where the texturizing spray comes in. So I know that a lot of people have been liking all of the content that we're doing on Instagram and on Facebook, and I'm really explaining why the texturizing spray is awesome. Is because it has dry shampoo, and it definitely breaks up the curl. So it's not like a soft curl. You're not just getting the benefits of the dry shampoo cleaning off your scalp. You're definitely getting the benefits of both worlds. And your curl and wave lasts up to another 3 days. So I normally shampoo my hair every 2 days. My wife in the background is telling me how many times I shampoo. Funny. True. Every 2 days I shampoo my hair, and I could go longer. I just don't think it's necessary to go any longer, you know? Every 2 days is a good amount. But the texturizing spray, I do like it because it does give it like just more, I mean, it looks like I went to the beach, got into the water and came out and I was like born with beach hair. We all want it, we just aren't all born with it. I'm definitely taking smaller sections because I'm giving myself a different curl. Normally with my regular routine, I do more hair in a shorter amount of time with curling it. But with the restyling spray, what I like about it is that my hair feels super clean. It feels like I just washed it, and it has protectant in it. So UV protection, so if you're in the sun or you're running or you're, you know, do a lot of exercise outside, or you know, like if you like to skateboard, I don't know. I mean, anything, you know, gardening. I don't know why I said skateboarding, but anything that you do, the UV will protect your hair. And then also it has heat protectant. So if you are a normal girl who blow dries her hair, or a normal girl who waves her hair every day, you're going to want to do that. We all need that kind of extra. So the restyling spray does not get enough credit, or I have never given it as much credit as it deserves. But I told you guys I'm going to be creating videos with actual product that I have in my house. So I think that's super awesome because it's things that I actually really, really enjoy. So you can really essentially do this with your blow dryer too, and give yourself like a beach wave too. But again, because we want a little bit of a different curl, I'm doing smaller section and bringing it up a little bit closer to the root, because I want a little bit of volume, but I want more texture. Okay, you're gonna get your texturizing spray from Oribe, and you're going to spray it. Again, it has dry shampoo, so you can put it on your scalp as well. You can see it has a little bit of grit because of the texture, but it looks so cool because it looks like I'm gonna go up a little bit more, and we're gonna finish it off. Okay, if you want to, you can add accessories for the end. I love accessories. I think it's something that I cannot live without, so I really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love the products. I hope you like everything that I've been doing. I think that I'm trying my best and working very hard to get all these videos out as soon as possible. But we're in quarantine and we're enjoying our families and we're enjoying our us time. So you guys enjoy your time. I hope you guys are doing the spa treatments at home and you're treating yourself to your time too. It's very important. And until next video, I'll see you guys soon.